Jehovah. Chindemono. Sogi Bonnie Bebe. Chuku Mazuru Mbogi.
The Shalamites.
The Shalamites.
You're welcome here tonight. You're welcome here tonight. Governor Ezioku is here. Olilanya.
Governor Ezioku, Minanya Ndigbo. Chukwu majeto guberie. Ebube na dide ebube.
The Shalamites.
Ebube.
This one said, let's see video. I'll block you here now. That was how you people said that it was a lie. It was lies that Simon Ekpa was arrested. If you want to see video, I'll block you from here because he be idiots. You were one of those people who mislead this our brother. You misled him. Today you're asking for video. Next thing you deny him. Comment again. Tell me you want to see video. Can block all the idiots.
All in the name of God.
Anybody you see telling you let's see evidence here, that person is an idiot. That person is an idiot. Hello, please, I will get back to you shortly. The man on Yahoo be idiot. Hello, I am busy for now. The call is too much. Anybody you see telling you naturally for video, you're an idiot. They are part of the problem. Everywhere is calm now. Everywhere is calm. Do you see them talking again? Everywhere is calm. They are andoshi. Very wicked people. Very wicked people. I am at my altar. Feel like you're singing on top of our data. I come and get that from here. Get that from this page. Somebody should bring back that post for me. Can block Wagi here. You say you want to see video. Where is that person that says I repeat I want to see video? Oh yeah, you're blocked. You're blocked from this page. Arababu Wagi that place. Come and get that from here. Oh yeah, next person. Idiots. They were one of those people. They misled this guy. These guys. Before you know it, they turned our place to kidnappers then. I will tell you what happened exactly, how it happened. Because God has made it possible that we must get information accordingly. Before I go further, I want to post something. I want to post something. And I need you all to watch this. Everybody, you say you love the song playing. Let me play it again. Okay, everyone listening to me, my name is Governor Ezioku. Tonight, I will tell you how they captured this guy. This Tozo elephant. The video will appear. No, not tonight. Security, they have ways they work. It's not you pray, it's true, it's true. I mean, they tell you. Now, super story. When I post before, people were talking nonsense. Now, see. Watch this particular picture I want to post here now. Watch. You see this our brother, Ndigbo. These two people I posted their picture here now. These are Igbos. This is husband and wife. This is husband and wife. Are you guys aware? Are you guys aware na Ndigbo? Where is that idiot that commented and said that you will not see Fulani people to talk about? Thunder Babuogi that place. I need to be aggressive. This one that you're telling me not to be aggressive now, I'll get angry at you right now. This is husband and wife. This is the face of that woman. I think this is the face of that woman. This picture, I saved it from that time. This is the picture of that woman and the husband. This gentle Buru Chanwa Anyara. Are you guys aware? Ndigbo, husband and wife. What is their crime? Nahabondame. This was the picture on their phone. This was the exact picture. I'm speaking to you from my altars of prayer tonight. I'm speaking to you from the altars of the Shanamite. I don't play here. $897 persons on board watching me right now. This is the picture of the husband and wife that was spied by these idiots. And some of you are abroad supporting. What is their crime? That they are soldiers. Husband and wife. This is their pre-wedding picture they took. Onya bụ onye Igbo, ofu bụ onye Nkwere. I think the two of them bụ ndị Nkwere. Imo State anyị. Gentugbo these people chanwa anyị ara on camera nwunye mmadụ. If you have a wife tonight and you are part of this idiocy, you are one of those people who support this evil. I think the lady was having in Ojo barracks. Husband and wife. Utaka Hashibu these people. Now so they used to buy these people. And all of you supported. Tonight, I speak to you from the voice and the middle of the Shanamites that lives amongst the angels. Speaking to you from the altars of the Shanamites where I comes to pray. Ask J-Pack yesterday when he called me, I was here praying. I was here praying at night. And he asked me what for. I said, yes, I just choose to pray. But I will tell you what will happen. Gentle was giving order live. I have the video here, but I don't want to play it. Gentle buru this husband and wife life Ndigbo. What is their crime? The Ofuna Savona Lagos. If these people are your brothers, have you verified the salary of Ndami? What they paid the soldiers? These people peanuts. But I will tell you how they were able to capture this guy now. I'm not supposed to disclose to you because you don't even need to know. Oga talk with you, one talk. Oya Ejike, come and get out from this page. Good night from here. Good night. Thunder Babuogi that place. Oya, get out. Come and get out. Next idiot, please. These are the idiots who are supporting those nonsense. He was giving order to those baboos, to those nicompools, these people on a live camera. I will drop the number to call here if you want to call in. Of course, you have my number, but I'm going to drop the one you will call here. You call only the one that ends with 45. Do you know why they buy the husband before the woman? Maybe Harry Puchago the woman. Say, shut up, man, not gentle. Yeah, come on, get her from here. Yeah, get out. Get out. Any of those, they are idiotic supporters I see here, I block you immediately. I don't need to waste time for you. Now, this is how Gentle was captured. Gentle, the idiot. Iburu mmadụ. Iburu this woman. Dear. Let's assume nobody can tell Obama this woman had dream. Nobody can tell. Somebody say he doesn't want to say anything because of security reasons. In boss governor, I'm going to drop my number. Show video evidence to prove. Oh yeah, Otilo, goodbye from this page. Idiot, oh yeah, get out. This guy, Webuo, husband and wife. The people who sent you to commit these atrocities, their own husband and wife, they are safe. Hello, this is Governor Ezioku. Good evening from here. I am on live section. Are you aware? Should I put it on loudspeaker? Okay, please go ahead.
I want to know. I want to confirm. Is that true? Is that true?
It is true. It is true.
The other young guy, English in Arapa also. Can have 1 year they can brush.
I have and makeup now. In a token on your ojo now. Now.
Any dream with that one. And we dream.
Anna would this idiot.
Any dream with that one too. And this need to hang our court. I'm happy down there, media. Just it take long. And I shoot here, and I buy every day by day.
I am appealing. I make an appeal to government because what to age senior maka no one. Hanje kola monya kamja kambuya. Just on camera kanja kamonya in home and them mother.
I get you boy this guy. Yeah, take all long. But I got like if I'm mother. Once. This guy need the Igbo by Ebe. This guy need to buy EGP. Doga now iron, electric iron, the hot. Something get take time before the life end up. We need to reach send this guy home. Any of them ain't with them because he have the bad, so bad.
Thank you.
You can't hear these people who hear Osama bin Laden buru. The difference I can't have much.
Go and check record. The only person, even Saddam Hussein won't own a graveyard at the back of his compound. But these guys, anyone who did grave, they didn't reserve any grave for anybody. So Saddam Hussein will respect.
Now, thousand man everywhere. Check the number of Indians and they are up to 20, 30 individuals. Uncountable. This guy need to send home immediately. And need to send their home gradually. Parents, family snap out through. Thank you
very much. The number you can call me with before I explain what happened to this guy, this babu. The number you can reach me out with tonight is 090. I'm going to repeat the number here tonight. Then I will tell you how he was captured. Tonight I'm going to tell you how this guy was captured. Say something never reach you. They say they never plan to do you something. Those we are on ground. No, there's nothing like that. They only commit these crimes that they run to their hills or mountains where they hide. The number you can reach me out with is 090. I want to copy the number here. You can only call me via WhatsApp tonight. My name is Governor Ezioku. Oh yeah, am I happy that this guy terrorizing my state has been captured? Yes. Alimo Geri Sigi. I said it. I said it over and over again. He says, stop spreading fake news. Thunder Babu get that place. These are one of their sponsors. Godwin Jr. You are one of their sponsors. Someone should get me his picture. Let me tag you here. Thunder Babu get that place. Yes, Adam Bo, they say Thunder Babu because only these people eburu her. You are comfortable with it because they are not members of your family. Thunder Babu get that. Comment again. Let me block you here. If you think I'm playing with you. Arababu get that place 090-6423-5745. I repeat 090-6423-5745. That's the number you can call me with on WhatsApp. Only on WhatsApp. 090-6423-5745. That's the number you can reach me out with. Live here on this live broadcast. Now look at what happened. Do you know when it is raining? You remember it rained since day before yesterday. If you are within the shores of Imo State, southeast majorly, you can. The number, I've commented the number here. I don't know if the number has appeared there. 090-6423-57. Don't call the one that ends with. Don't call the one that has to do with 090-300, 091-300. No. Don't call that one, please. I will not pick that one. That's the number I'm using to make this live broadcast. Now, many of you from the shore, within the shores of Imo State, you will remember that it rained from day before yesterday, majorly. You know it rained, right? Okay, good. Now, first, before I go into details, I want to commend members of the military and the DSS for this excellent job they did. Okay, somebody says that anybody that is happy about the capture of this criminal is a terrorist and his own people will die carelessly. Okay, let me block you from here. Please, what you guys need to do for me is any barbaric or idiotic comment in support of these activities of these evil guys. Just click their page. That's a simple thing you will do. Discipline them on social media first. Hence they think they are untouchable. You report their page. Yeah, you can do that. I do it massively before. So I block the idiot right now. I suspend you. Hello. Yes, you want me to put it on loudspeaker? I am on live section, so just to inform you, please go ahead.
Can I speak Igbo?
Yes, go ahead.
Hello?
Yes, go ahead. Go ahead.
Okay. I'm very happy. Now, this useless human being. Yota. Makana, I'm from another side. That side that is this guy was hiding before. Also, Ebonisia. That is where I came from. Huh? So,
okay.
If we hear this guy email side high, anybody over me throw say na or draw happy because we have already swear. And as a Christian, I pray and that before ending people, I was telling them on Sunday, wherever I go, this boy. In Kenya, I'm so you are left and right because on your guy, happy now, or you're about with 2 minutes.
Yes.
So we know them. Here's the side of the Bible. Oh, go for the tension can be too much. Let's decide about art. So, in the I got you open the Europe because now I only found I got the hammer their left and right. So, I only have to go your brother. When you come to, I can mention 4 towns. I go and ask for feet. You know, I got in my email, and I fools in the matter. Boss, what do you call it? Is what is this one is Anambra, Osumo, Lilu, Osihito. Ina gani mo fe na fuzu ndi mmadụ egburu dosa edosa. Kiyenda commit nothing. Eba anyị na-awala bush na imo town ị na-akpọrọ gị na ghost town. So I'm not saying this can then Europe I want, if you have evidence to show them that this man is captured, let them know, because I can Nigeria. And another thing on our behalf, government, I don't want anything compromise on his life.
My brother, I want anything like that. Lanya Obu Ndigbo security men Ndigbo kwechiri like that at all cost. For this guy, you will AK-47, babu our youth like that on live camera that at all cost. And they did a very good job. I'm telling you, they did a very good job. They did a very. How make the show? Make the show now they are alive. No. There's nothing about anything like that. Oga yabu monya. Mba yabu monya egburu onye Igbo. Yaburu monya egburu ndị Igbo anyị. Ọ bụrụ different matter. Ke ihe na zọtara ndị Igbo ije gbushi ha. Ke ihe na zọtara these people. By yourself. Ọ bụrụ na ị metara trouble ndị iro ha dagbuo ha.
If you have any evidence for those mosques and the periba, I watch a brain on her, Makanke Gafe, Europe or Diaka or Omega arrive.
No.
Only if you're not supposed to let you and a protect rubbish house or
Oga, come jogging. Oga, come jogging. Keka somebody get you with a phone on Europe or somebody on all a little Makanya. Say happy your children now, yeah, but we more here with AK-47. Go to the nearest junction. There is AK-47 you'll find around the bush. Take it and enter the bush. Let me block one idiot. Take the AK-47 and enter bush. Then start buying your own people. You move, because then you the AK-47. Is that doable? Maybe these two soldiers I posted here. One in a deer. These people, the video is here with me. I can forward to you. Ndaburu the man, Buzo the man. Gbuo nwunye ya gentle na-enye ọda na chapari up to the woman na ya ga-ata ya na enwere ihe eji eme
inweta Anambra Ebonyi ebe one of his boys no ka ife a na-akpụ ya iseke gaa be mmadụ gbuo the man nwunye agbapụta na-eti mkpu ya na-akpa afịa the guy. We notice here the wife and the woman with the man who to how team over.
Now wow. So,
if I hear that committee that this town down call and ask the question, man, in can't have said you yourself when you can believe Thank
you, sir. Let me come just cover and then matter what happened. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, everyone listening to me, you remember he trained day before yesterday, and it also rained today. That rain was a mechanized rain to make sure that they go after each and every one of you. You know what? While it was raining, everyone, if you check around Ihube, okay. So everyone listening to me, help me share this broadcast. Do you remember the network was bad around Okigwe, Ihube, and Arondizog while it was raining? Since day before yesterday. Yesterday was the pop-up of it. As at yesterday, every well-meaning person ought to pray for our people to succeed yesterday. Because I'm Nimo Geri Sinda. So, of course, you know how they behave. I am here. So, they weren't getting network. They were not getting network on those their CCTVs they used to monitor people, because people are no longer working with them. Some people who gives them information was no longer working with that gentle the Yahoo and some of his group. You know why? Because of that video of those guys, those 3 guys he pied on camera. Are you getting what I'm saying? People stopped working with them, giving them information. They were not getting information 100% again. Because when we saw that video, so many of us reposted that video. That video went viral. The video spoke life into the conscience of those people. The video spoke life into the conscience of those people that he uses before to monitor areas. The other guys he had in those scams, they were having issues immediately. Now, they resolved to collecting phones, seizing of phones, Android phones from some of their boys, so that they will no longer be watching internet, hearing what some of us will be saying or telling them. So guess what? They were having issues because some of their boys were later complaining. Can he get about these guys? Can he get about these boys? Why? What did they do? Or say no jiri has smooth to honor. He said by himself, no jiri hammer way smooth to honor. This is how they always use people to smooth work. And whenever that thing. Some people from the community of Gentle himself, they speak Hausa due to the law of Banta in Okigbe. Some of them who grew up there, like me, I understand Hausa very well. How? Where did I hear it? More of the Hausa you can see me still speak to today. I learned it from Slaughter in Transamadi because I grew up around there. Are you getting what I'm saying? Yes, is it too much, frog? I came out here to pray, all right? Because we ought to insist at the place of prayers. All of them, none of them needs to escape. The time for them to have surrendered, for them to have come out for amnesty was last month. But as at now, no more. No more. We cannot negotiate with you. You say no evidence yet. Let me block you. Get out from here. Okolie. You're one of their sponsors. House you never build. The only fine face you carry with big jaw. Bouru for where? Succeed there for yourself for where? Become human being for where? All you do is you gather money you send. Neje ball on them madok. Or you get out from this page. Suspended first. That's the only way I will pity you because I've not seen your comment before. If I see it next time, go see again at this page. Oh yeah, where's the next idiot? Colonel Uche Victor. You are one of them. Oh yeah, get out. Get out. These are crayfish sellers. These are canshu. Yeah, but then I have canshu. No so Okigbe before. Between Okigbe and only Enugu, Lord Panta, those areas. Them yeah, but then I have canshu. Now they mistakenly saw AK-47. So, ladies and gentlemen, They collected phones from these guys, collected Android phones from them. Guess what? It came to pass that a few days ago, it was raining, and these guys, they lose guard. They never knew that while it was raining, securities were advancing into the communities. They never knew. They never knew that men were advancing the communities. They were advancing. Of course, in his normal way. While it rained, they saw the need to approach closer to communities. They left the bush, because how they do is, sometimes they will come and make videos in houses. Then they will go to the bush and sleep or change area, change locations. So they decided to approach closer to the houses. They decided to approach closer to the houses so that it will be easy for them to possibly get a good shelter and all that. Little did they know that while it was raining, check as at then, none of them can say that their CCTV showed anything, even as at today. Okay? So what they did was, the security men, everybody ought to advance into the place. They didn't use armored vehicles because they determined to walk. They never used armored vehicles. They advanced by foot. They advanced by local motorcycles and all that. Few of these wise men came in, sustained their landing in the communities, and laid ambushes for these people. This person you see terrorizing an Igbo, who makes all these kind of noises and all that, finally, while coming back to the place where he can gain shelter and all that, without being known, when network is seized in your area, which means there are other means of passing network. Oh yeah, good day, good day, good day. That's a fake name. So get out from this page. Oh yeah, get out, Olodo. Get out. Get out. Verified, sacrosanct idiots. People who support evil. So they advanced into the community by the grace of God. The same people, the same security men, the same military, you buy this woman who happens to be their member and buy the husband. My concern is the people gentle still have in custody. There are people they must have kidnapped since day before yesterday. Where are they? Now, everyone listening to me here, if Gentle was not captured, you would not see all of them being this calm. They are silent all over the social media now. You know why? Because it has hit them. Do you feel like somebody like Gentle will keep quiet since morning till now? Somebody like Makeup will keep quiet from morning till now? The next thing they will tell you now is few of them got try because they are making calls. They are trying to get some of them now because I change the line by all means. You know they have so many lines. They don't have SIM card of their own. No, it is their kidnapped victims. They are kidnappers. Those are the phone numbers they use. They use that one today. Tomorrow they use another one. By the grace of God, when you are handed over to the devil to be tormented, the Galadima was coming back with his squad. Of course, the way they share themselves and all that. Thank God for these brave men. They were able to freeze them. And some of his boys, some of those whom I tried to be funny, But funny enough, the clock went faster than their steps. Hello? Yes. And I'm on live section. Yes. Okay. Governor Zogu is my name. I am on live section. You want me to put it on loudspeaker? Let me put it on loudspeaker, please.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Yeah. Hope Uzodinma, let him use this thing. Let him compensate. Let him make Imo life happy by being serious about this arrest. This guy. Kaya already will tomorrow. Kaya no one here had no number last year. Nandia Hunguru somebody. Akora Hagawa somewhere. Mewenka hapon amutu. Ebe somebody has arrest Suzy the driver. Ponuzo ma escape. Because I actually know this thing. Now this within this story now. If couples or the man can be serious, because let me tell you something. If this thing if India may tell this guy who couples or the man who's the work she may interrupt convoy ya ogemea. If the bitterness not in him, my only mention this name, couples or the man, ega man na ya who this hope knows okay spare a second. Okay, spare a second.
Okay, for doubting Thomas, somebody just commented here that Channels TV has posted it. So keep doubting. Keep doubting. People should keep doubting.
Take all these things serious. That is what we want. This is part of happiness I get with this December. Yo, this guy now outside road December. I can't. Nobody can Igbo. Nobody.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
All right.
So it is in the news that channels have posted it. Channels have posted it. Somebody say Channels TV is currently airing the news. Thank you, God of the Shanamites. Hello? Yes, I am on live section. Let me put it on loudspeaker. Please go ahead and talk to me. Onye emela onye ameri ala imo anyị wa. This guy mere ala imo anyị wa.
Nna Chukwu nna gozikwe onye jidere nna bi amara ka ga-ese eji m film ka ọ chara mmadụ ọtụ gbuo one small girl nwa da steeti na Adakadet obere ya ebe
Chagbuo nwunye mmadụ. Ọ chagburu nwunye mmadụ. Chagbuo nwunye mmadụ. Chagbuo nwunye mmadụ. All of them, Igbo ga-eri ha ncha. Ala Imo ga-eri ha ncha. Ala Imo ga-eri these people. Agbagburu ya agbagbuo his second in command. Enwe obodi makeup enwe another one na-esu ya. Enwe another okoko na-esu ya. That one agbaburu that one. That one nwụrụ there because ha chọrọ n'igosi Galadima.
Ekele m Chukwu nna biko ọrụ m na-atọ m ụtọ injisi ike nụ.
Udodi. Hello, good evening from here. My name is Governor Ezioku. Good evening, Governor Ezioku on the line. I am on live section, please. Thank you. Do you want me to put it on loudspeaker? Please go ahead.
Yeah, loudspeaker.
Go ahead.
What I want to tell you, my brother, this news is a welcome development.
Yes.
We are happy and delighted that this stupid man is gone and is gone forever.
Yes.
Last week, I saw their post where they were making noise. I told them that his days are numbered, that all this gaga will soon end. And now, God has vindicated our position that this evil doer that have finished our brothers in Igboland, we suffer. In fact, they will kill him gradually. Let him confess. If we see him now, he will be crying. I hope they will show him to national TV where he will be crying.
They will. The usual way is they will bring him out for press parade, not today. Right now, these brave men, they are working currently, tirelessly. His location should not be disclosed to anybody. And I still urge the military to move more into action. Invade those places, those their camps.
Yes.
Leave our innocent people, leave our innocent mothers. Don't go destroying things belonging to our innocent people. We have suffered as a people.
Yeah. They should sweep all those devils.
They should go after them.
Yes. Thank you very much. Can you end us our space to also speak out?
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. There's no two ways about it. Obu magala ma obegbe gala negbe. Governor Zogu is my name. I'm speaking to you from a live section. Good evening. Please speak up, brother. Come to you on loudspeaker. Should I put it on loudspeaker?
Okay.
Go ahead.
My family now Saga na basic. Channel TV and even tablet. Don't post answers. So, my family now that is in the yeah, the time Maja. India, even that, you know, I stand a year at it. And Mazana, and you and you make it, don't be a young boy, and you have been the time in the idea.
Yes.
And I'll mean,
Imo will swallow them. Alimo will swallow them. Udode, thank you very much. Let another person call in. Somebody is still saying that the news is not clear. Somebody said that in North that their government is giving them amnesty and peace deal. Here is a different ball game because this idiot took her now. Providence, I'll block you right now, but let me just tell you something. You are saying this nonsense because none of your family member has been a victim of these idiots. Let's assume that this lady is your sister, this military lady, Haburu, this lady, nobody, not even your own miserable lineage spoke for these persons. Not even your father, not even you wept for these people. Husband and wife, their crime or organic. They weren't even under uniform the day they went around. Just that their phones, a kidnapper. When they pay their phone, we phone and have a military. That was all. One day, Imo State. These people are from Imo State. Otakeshibo, husband and wife. And you said it's okay. Bring me the name of this person. Let me curse you. Ambition, we're trying to tap this guy. Okay. Providence Udeze. You are the one who commented this thing. By the gallows of the Shanamites, where I sit as one. Today, being the 16th day, they happy because of the atrocities Gento commit. Amongst everybody watching this live video, so many people, they must have insulted me and I kept quiet. But it is your luck now that you may have a taste of evil. That your lineage may have a taste of evil. You will remember these dates. You will remember this voice. You will be the last that it will hit. But it falls on you even from now. By the gallows of the Shanamites, where I sit as one, I wish you in the same measure the bloods of these people that was sprinkled on the soil of their own father's land. They went to places, they saw hell, they passed through the chronings of evil. Attacks could not swallow them from the north. They served in various places. n'ala nke nna ha ebe eliri ala ha where their mother nọrọ ọbara wee pụta mma ha n'ike wee mụọ these two people. They struggle through the chronings and the tutus of life. If life was easy with these people, then they wouldn't have joined the military. Ha bọtara afụfụ this husband and wife wee gbuo ha ụbọchị ndụ kwesịrị ịtọ ha ụtọ. Then went back home. Ụgwọ isi nke nwaanyị ka a ga-aga kwụchapụ. The next news their parents had wụ na egbuola ha. And you are in support of this. Therefore, arise nature against you. Arise nature against you. The elements of this creature, the elements of which breeds the things eji zụọ gị. Iriri ihe akụrụ n'ubi n'ala Igbo. Iriri ihe akụrụ n'ubi. Your mother once suffered wee kuta mmiri wee sụọ gị n'isi ka gị nwa wee dị ndụ. At that same point, ka anọ na-azụke ndị ọzọ. And you are happy because na egburu these people. Chọ ka grant all the person amnesty so that they will kill more. Because no rutere oge. The Shanamites. Today, grave will open against you. Because I am speaking from the middle of the Shanamites that lives amongst the angels. Today, your intestines, everything in you. If this thing you support, not them, you become Namagi today. You will try and see. Therefore, the same thing can wish Rigi. And I'm really about this woman. The woman shed tears until the last minute. When Gentle asked this woman to lie down, the woman was helpless. She laid down. Gentle will this beautiful woman. Gentle will this woman. The video is everywhere. You saw it, you were not touched. Because they are not your blood sister. If you have boil, you see that boil in a pain, you get ordinary boil and you say that boil pains you. Therefore, all you see there are another pain. Because many of you are one on another hand. You will serve as an example. You will serve as an example. Your relations, they will be a witness to what will happen to you at the end of the day. You will see. This woman bought dear for nothing. The videos will post here where you see people's corpses littered everywhere. You saw it and you were not touched. Open okay. The same way those our forefathers fought for. Despite the intimidation, despite the hunger, the chronings, your forefathers, those who could have had advance over them, they preserved your father. What are you with these people? Gentle agent AK-47 wee gbuo nwunye mmadụ. O ji egbe gbagbuo di ya. Mgbe o ruru n'igbu nwaanyị a, ebe nne mụrụ ya, mma ka o ji chaa nwaanyị a. And you are happy. Therefore today, before the altars of the Shanamites, everything turns against you today. That same thing you wished, that same thing you celebrated over other people. Today, it comes back to you. To you, make you everything turns against you. So shall it be. My name is Governor Ezioku. Hello, can you hear me? Yes, I am on live section. Do I have your permission to put it on loudspeaker? Please go ahead.
Section on Facebook.
Go ahead.
Yes, I found Boku Durichuku. My life section. The man, they can got a lot of young comments.
Okay.
Yes. So there is the only in a loop boys wall. And I'm not doing I'm calling from America. The this news of capturing this criminal great news to me in person. Because this boy I told me mafia, or maybe today mafia. I said they have all course and damages all course so Ndigbo Unapologetically. During the days of terrorists here na suicide bombing and all that is almost something you believe in my life. I said this is the last business you get with Ndigbo. But to the greatest of my disappointment and everything, I tell them where one for Igbo, mother guy size more convince you. Also, non actual biafra by anything, bullet whereby more young, one year, kidnap a woman 1 year, maybe years on the change. So there's a interpretation back I'm not in happiness. I'm happy. Na news like that. And Chukuya Mebel and being as the sponsor her. Not an act of police, new Uda Nama, Chukuya Mebel, police, Nandami, DSS. I can fish all of them out.
You say
in one way or the other.
So I can
because
Sir, you are calling me from the United States. And because of my viewers, because of my listeners, I owe to speak English. Lanya, would you believe me that if anybody can go into a community to dislodge an entire community because they gave that person 1.5 million naira, would you agree with me that if they price Gento 5 million naira to get them kidney, somebody's kidney, you know that Gento does not need to see the offenses you committed. Gento will harvest that person's kidney immediately.
Exactly, not my way. Not my way.
As you are listening to me, okay. Now, because you are listening to me now, I want to tell you, go and mark today's date.
Yes.
Everybody involved in support and in sponsorship of this, what will feed their own kidney will not be difficult.
Amen.
What will give them disease will not be difficult. Because their conscience, they don't care. When they buru their father, there are some elderly men. Somebody called in one of my programs. Yes. The person see from village Gento. The young man was saying how Gento Igbo Mpeya. The guy now using API Ozum Mpeya Gento Eliozum Namado.
I'm experience with India a little time. I had a man GS460. So I'm on Monoka, even was a half was it at home. I'm a lot more cozy, I'm a lot more low to order. Where put a motor, where Zilla, but I always see that the night to cool. Where I wonder, no good best friend, say, Nananga. What does a Hanamata? No, I'm John Zia, Mamma will break him, or young, not bad break. You need to walk to both, you know. Tama Polo Hamut, I say, Biam, get all come to now. Stefan or one of them to know my mood. I say more motor give and say, I say, okay, see, I'm street guy, you two and who was a polo. I thought you were one idea, Mamma street guy, but two and who was a web, Manana Maloshe, Macana, or somebody. I say, Monty, Anna, Ade. Thank God, the moment when you're changing 200 year mention now, on the Asway, actually like a bear for La Paz. Or for life, for they going to reach. What they go, yeah. I think perhaps my two for the car, I'm not those who will cheer and I look the less for say football, so one day go hand and because of Hajj. Apollo Mont Sati, I would to wet on or back and watch a chaw somewhere. To the little experience with how this people and the end.
My brother, there is no way they will commit all of these things and get scot-free. Go scot-free with it.
No.
There is no way. There is no. The same way their mothers gave birth to them, the same hot water that was placed on their foreheads, the same way their mothers raised them carefully, just to make sure that they survived without infections or diseases. This is the same way those people. In fact, do you know that as bad as it may be in your own family, while they were raising you, you were even experiencing a better life to some families in Africa here.
Yes.
So, ebukwala mother, because n'iji egbe nwanne jakwande polisi ike wodikwa izi ndị nke na-eji egbe not 35 years enwenye ha zuru oshi.
You are on point, yes.
Enwenye ha zuru oshi. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Now, tonight, let me tell you, where I touch is where you don't touch. Where I touch is where your native doctor does not know. I want you all to hear this. I did like to say this. After, while your mom was alive, while you were younger, and your mom, you were growing under your mom and your, let me say, while you were growing under your parents' care, I want to tell you something. Did you all remember that after pounding pepper, pounding any other thing, do you remember there is a separate place they keep the mortar paste to write? According to Edosia, at the edge of the wall or at the edge of the kitchen. I'm going to tell you something now. Hello? Good evening. Governor Zoku is my name. Should I put it on loudspeaker because I am on live section now? Can I put it on loudspeaker? Do you permit me to put it on loudspeaker?
Go ahead, straight away.
All right, please go ahead.
Okay. As I was saying, I want to first of all commend you on your good work. I've been a follower for a very long time, and I have been following your works. Okay. You know, and during this program now, I've been reading all the comments. Because I can see negative comments. People are saying that that the program is rubbish, that the program is nonsense. I watch these people say with that young sponge.
Okay.
You know, people, one free it's annoying. It's annoying. It's annoying. So the army should go deeper, fish all of them. Remaining those that I don't want to call her name. That's the ugly one that talks, that is bringing update from information reaching me from. They should fish that particular person out. You know, no mercy for anybody.
The way. Oh, my network is bad. The network is bad. All right. I was saying something. Let me take this call and then I will explain something to you. Hello. Hello? Can you hear me, please? Hello, sir. Yes, I am on live section. Do you want me to put it on loudspeaker? Okay, my brother you're from Iseke, right?
Yes.
Go ahead. I told you I will come to Iseke, right?
Yes, you told me you will come to Iseke. Yes.
I will come. As Iseke people are returning, the day they are celebrating their return, I will come. Any day they give me invitation, I will come.
Don't worry, I promise you that now. So
That same Iseke, I will come. I will come there. You're welcome. I'm on live section. Go ahead.
My brother, thank you very much. Because, you are part of the people that has been helping us to do all these things for a long time. Because when I had and the other guy is one by one.
One after the other.
Other guys will run one by one after the other. Because how can go. And I thank you and I thank God for what God is using you to do.
Thank you.
Let me stop here for now.
Thank you very much.
Let me stop here.
Now, let me tell you one mystery tonight. And out of this mystery, I'm going to say something before I will leave you here because I ought to pray. I ought to pray. How to pray. N'abalị mma anọ n'etiti ọhịa na-agụrụ chime egwu. Ha ma na anọ n'ime ọhịa na-ebugharị egbe. Mụ abata n'ime ọhịa nọrọ ebe a na-akpọ chim. Nọrọ ebe a na-akpọ onye na-anụ olu m. Not sometimes nkụwa enwe some egwu m na-abịa m na-echeta my mom. Now, but let me shock you. Do you know why in your mother's kitchen there is always an ark of covenant being laid at the extremely edge of the wall of the kitchen? They always keep this mystery behind an extremely edge of the wall. In every native doctor shrine, this mystery is there. The mystery is called the mortar pistol. If you go to some native doctor shrine, it is always found at the edge of the entrance of the shrine. It is an ark of covenant. It is an ark of covenant. Some of you, your grandmothers, pounded fufu with those mortar pestle in Igboland. They used it to feed you. Anywhere a mother uses that thing to curse, to lay curse on anybody, in those days, they take out a honor shot at that person. On a bundo she's too much in obodo. Our mothers geja kodopota. Wait here at the middle of the market where bonya honor, the person does not last. Go and ask. Arwan eme today because some people kept quiet in our land. You know why? When these boys come into your community, everybody will be afraid. They create fear and panic. All of you will be on the run. The same way Haji this security, this husband and wife, on camera, gentle saying, the thing if you watch that video, you won't sleep tonight. Just that I can't start sharing it to everybody. If you watch that video, you go mad tonight. On your order and the lady lie down, the lady lie down. Governor Yoshi, may God Almighty punish your entire generation for fighting our brothers. Ige virtues. Okay, I'll leave you today. One day be one day. But I'll block you. Blocking you is to save you also. Because why? You picture why and my spirit tells me that this is a fake account, so I'll block you. I'll see you some other time when you create another account and come here. One day I chat here, you will know. The nearest junction na your village, Now, do you know why I had to quote this thing? That was a covenant you under. Gold went through. Your grannies raised you at the middle of that confidence and covenant. The same Oshishan Keji pure for Fahun Nebara no shrine on. Mpara eji me mmadụ eze. Akodo aheji signatoria. It's a mystery you don't understand. Governor Ezok is my name. I'm on live section. You want me to put it on loudspeaker? Okay. Please go ahead.
This is your live section. Yeah, I'm going to this is your live broadcast. The day you tend to those guys.
Okay.
So, our Igbo, we are now. I know. I even that very day, that it don't belong now. It's not a month now. It don't belong now.
Yes.
Even I didn't know that Gento will last up to this very moment because this guy have been disturbing that area from my place to Okigwe is like 30 minutes. But I don't need to mention them. All the guy, this very guy, one guy before, so now he have bumped into these guys now one time on January 2022. It was I'm gonna collect the rocky way before going home. So I was going from my village to Onitsha. So I applied through Okigwe, then to around Izuogo. It was evening. With one of my guys, we left the village around 5 o'clock in the evening. So we were rushing maybe to get Onitsha around 8. So you take Okigwe now, go like 6:30. So I went from Okigwe now, I drive through Isochi. Then you would divert to this around this road. So on my way now, that road now is lonely because all Keshu na that very road. So just like 5 poles from that road, my car move over there. So we have to stop and wait small. So can I run there and check at the motor relax too small before we take off. One guy would Range Rover Sport. Now overtake. What I go that guy. So in less than 3 minutes, to that guy because I'm a people bonnet. Our concentration on that car. The guy now there towards us. With the motor now, so I won't have a good front tire. So the guy was able to see them and turn. So maybe now people think I was turn. I went up with that guy. So the guy now shout, hospital no. Until say I'm that place of man, and never be more. He said, and then on a main road, and then on an express. Listen, now we're gonna express. This Port Express. So say rush express. The express I don't show about people never make a shoe, and then other things in that junction. Then damn now, when more to go off my arm, they put that junction now by right, by left, you saw you love one time.
Yes, I'm on
that guy. Yes, I'm that guy will be now. That guy is a very strong guy because motor Range Rover. So that is what you do looking now on time. So I was able to go over and I would single it there. And the only time was like 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I would have helped him and drive that car now. Because if I would be more here. So I'm more carrying on that situation, that guy, if not that
overheat motor Gimere.
Exactly. And we were rushing because my brother was laughing at Bukobosi. My brother was laughing at Bukobosi. So I was rushing now. So the following day now, I rush here. So I was sitting around our village now. The following morning, I love back on chat. So that guy, so motor visual either. I want to give information. Na kidnappers no. I'm not kidnapper without kidnappers.
So now I start the motor now. So some other guys now was able, so I move there. From that place move now to like 2 poles ahead. If you see my Hilos, my Benz, Hilos will go too. Benz is not there. I had like 5 cars. As I would go those people now, but we more here. And those side outside that other very place now connected with Kakwa connected with Nato. And this logo. So all that time Kajan to see this go see that also I will them but all that period that. So my bed was yes. Go so my bed was yes. I seen those guys, like 7 guys who AK-47, young guys. You know that? So that's the how ordinary undo. Normally now, I had drum my from when I was small. Yes, I know that, but who do go at age? So to my greatest surprise now, after we passed that place, the next village, not at the front, the main road. So we were able to stop. So but wasn't that? I said, look at the encounter. iPhone as well with some other passenger. So I will break that. Do you know that these people are in shock on that kind of thing there? So all kind of this things, all this period that can jump down now. No one have a handle now for the other. So that kind of thing, what do you need to them? But so they are not going now. Okay, governor just like now. See maybe something on that one now. The motor drive up and not you will be surprised now.
Yeah.
But when these people feel reluctant, these people now feel reluctant. But I wasn't understanding that thing now until this period here and there. I mean, that's now I handle this and that. These people now how my hand in that area for long.
How now handle
so
now?
Gentle now. Gentle now. Even I'm not saying why you here. I'm not gonna say what you here with the come out as they no kill them now is good. At least make the interview them now. Make it encourage them, go all those camps and make them arrest all those babutus of them and the rubbish now my other people. You know that? So it's better like that now. All of them must be flushed out. We ourselves now, we are not against Biafra. I can Biafra. But I won't at this
always it hide the bush was our people.
I won't go our people now. I won't go our people. We all supported this Biafra, but
even let come back even how our people are taro. The activities of Gentle and many others, and especially Simon, but Manoya also delay the release of Mazin Nnamdi Kanu.
Okay, so delay, but okay, so delay the freedom and on this side because even many people are fed up now.
The bastardization here this guy Simon, man, create a hatred in the minds of our people. Check how very few now support to the nonsense. The real intellectuals will never, only have them sense. In this year, Background will never support this kind of thing.
I want somebody now. Just here now. No good now. Shouldn't I have room now? No good. I would never be afraid. He said, "Go one only
the eyes of the family. The eyes of the family.
Of the family. Even if you're not imbecile, as not agent to which I'm imbecile.
One imbecile. Okay, you watching that live broadcast, somebody from where quote that thing. The guy,
I won't be a hardcore follower now. They follow you now.
The guy call to Imakwana Gentle Wurumpa, the guy, Brozia, the guy, Pokwaya, na, you say, come here, any ego. Go be easy for where? For where?
This guy doesn't spare anybody. He doesn't spare anybody. That guy, sometimes this guy a human being. Oh, one of my guys from Indonesia this night. Some like we went to say yes now. Even before I forgot that thing for how many hours before. Awesome. Carry Bujan to see they need to now. So I with them more information. I get those bandits. All these small boys now. Hand Jana, and the phone. Those people when I don't need to get with them now. See and the rubbish.
Butus of them. Mankana ice pencil. This ice pencil no now. That eye pencil now, cast no or million go get what I go. Ma asare them. Let them once they catch all those top men now. Honestly, now they won't have any power again.
I think come check your picture asare. You know, these people they don't understand. Think all the can picture asare. Think.
Number 2, because after Butus are them too. So if they're able to capture Butus again, all are good.
Yes.
All are good. Then how would they now? But I never got over there and go and then to live with it now. How would the woman do that? The job don't finish.
My brother, every picture on ya and I try can make picture attached now. Can you go the picture on ya na basare?
I saw that nonsense woman thing now. Somebody posted that one time.
You picture on ya, you gonna wonder. This guy looks so unkempt. He doesn't even look like human being. Onya de ka onye mamangasi. This guy looks like one aturu nke Chukwu. Aturu egburegbu.
Governor, do you know that I wasn't able to watch video this lady Onya in Nigeria now? I wasn't able to watch that video, but on back of that video now, I want to improve the video.
Gentle in order, na chọpụtara ya ara ya, na chọpụtara ya ọtọ ya, chọpụtara ịfụ ka the guy si ekwu ya, ayi, ya.
And they got all those things.
Yes, he watched it, yeah. He watched ya. When he watch that video, you feel bad. You feel bad. My brother. These people are mailing here.
This okay. This lady now, this lady now, this lady now, this year now, because either cooking or Benue. You kill the man, you still kill your sister too. From
Bukota ha abo. The lady abo onye okigba. Think obokwa onye olu side, obo onye olu. Lady bo onye olu.
I think they don't need the graduate to they don't need the graduate to now na cadet gini lotakwa okigwe some within okigwe abe to go side I all within to
ya ozugbo
Obukwa the same gate, and that's same gate I just graduate here now, I just graduate here. Even on the school meals, what the even the somebody in that family, somebody but I know they were school and but no, they were able to everybody was happy. I don't know how the information get to these useless people now. They came all the way from the bush, took that little girl now, took her inside the bush, butchered that girl just like that.
I'm telling you. Okay, Udodi, my brother, let me take out that course. Thank you very much for your contribution. So the picture I attached here now is the picture of Asari. Yeah, about the picture of this guy na Asari Nkapu Barrett. That's his picture. Her picture nenka sana here about Asari. Nka gaga me here she ball on one near one yoko kidnap all the other man that I was talking about the other time, and they were able to release the man. Yes. These are the vampires. Look at his face. Look at the way he looks. Is this person away from Mburumiri? These are part of those things we talk about. So if they terrorize everywhere, they can burn down anybody's house, they can do anything, they can buy anybody. You see the way it is. You see the way it is. These are the atrocities these guys commit without even being guilty of anything that most violent. And if you support them, you are an idiot. So this is where I will drop this live broadcast tonight. I'll see you some other time. But I may take my time to say some words of prayers here.
Above all, I pray you be great. Wisdom comes upon you that you may learn. Good night from here.